welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my makeup favorites. So guys, I these are all very affordable products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and I'll be giving short reviews of these products, and also these are must buy. So yeah, let's get started. First must have product I would suggest would be this foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation and my shade is Soft Tan. Now guys, the reasons you need to have this foundation, first of all, it's completely beginner friendly. So if you're trying foundation for the first time and you're having a little difficult time blending foundation, then you should try this one, because this just blends like a dream. It blends very easily and very quickly, and it gives you a very nice natural finish. And you can definitely layer it up to get a medium coverage, but it actually gives you a low coverage, like a light, like a very natural light coverage. So yeah, it also comes in various shades, so you wouldn't have problem in the shades, and also it's very affordable. There's also a smaller like a lesser quantity of the same foundation which comes at even more lesser price. So yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. Next, let's talk about highlighters. The first recommendation I would give you guys is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. The shade I have is, I think, glazed bronze, yes. And this is a little pricey. I think it retails for around 700 rupees, but the reason this is a must buy is because this is super pigmented and it gives a very beautiful glow. Like, you just need little bit of the product to give you a very beautiful glow. You can mix it with your foundation or apply it and then apply foundation on top. The only problem that I have is that this comes in a dropper, and the drop, so most of the product sticks to the dropper, and there is a little wastage of the product. I wish it had a pump packaging instead. Also, it has 3 shades, so you can select from whatever would suit your skin tone. And next highlighter that is must have is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is the shade Molten Gold, and guys, I have talked about this highlighter a few times as well on my channel. I absolutely love it because it's super pigmented, and it also has shades that you can choose from, and just look at that beautiful glow. This particular shade suits most of the Indian skin tones. I would recommend you to try this shade. It's super affordable and super worth buying. I think it retails for 500 rupees, and it also blends really well. Like, you just apply it on your cheekbones or your nose or wherever the highlighting areas are, and you just do, like, blend with your fingers. It really blends well as well. It doesn't remain patchy or kind of streaky. So I absolutely love this one. Let's talk about liners. Liners currently are these NY Bay liquid liners. Now, I have detailed reviews of all of these liners already on my channel. You can check out the detailed review wherein I have also shared the demo. So I have the black, blue and the green shade, and these are really worth buying, and they're complete, and they're also very affordable, and they also give a very nice coverage. Like, they give an opaque finish, and they also last very longer. They're water resistant, they're smudge proof, and I don't know what else you need. So yeah, I absolutely, and yes, these are also long lasting. So I absolutely love these, and you guys need to try them if you haven't yet. Liner recommendation, especially if you're looking for a glitter liner, would be definitely the Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner. I have the shade 8, and this is really beautiful. This again gives you a very opaque finish, and also it's quite long lasting, water resistant. Let's look at that. And this is a very fine tip, so you can easily apply very thin lines, and these also come in a lot of shades, both matte as well as glitter ones. So yeah, they're also very affordable in price. I think 250 rupees. For lashes, I would definitely recommend you guys the Hilary Rhoda lashes. The style is 25, and again, I have a full-fledged review of these lashes along with demos, so definitely do check that review out. And I really love these lashes because they give a very nice dramatic look, plus they're very easy to apply, and they're also lightweight of the eyes. And I really love the look that they give you, and they don't have any cons. I didn't find any cons in these lashes. And for the detailed review and demo, you can check out my review. So yeah, the next recommendation, and this is something that I recently tried as well. So these are the Mumuso fake lashes. They don't have a particular style, but again, I have reviewed these lashes in detail on my channel along with demo. Very lightweight, yet they give you a dramatic look. Like, these are completely lightweight. You don't even feel like you're wearing lashes. So if you're looking for lightweight yet dramatic fluttery lashes, you should check them out. And these are again very affordable in price, and they also get, I think, few styles in these. So yeah, do check out the review to know more about these lashes. So for eyeshadows, I don't have a particular eyeshadow palette because I don't have an affordable, like, drugstore palette currently. But if you're looking for a metallic one and done eyeshadow, then I would highly recommend you the Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. This is the shade 02 Diamond Dust, and this is really good because One is that it's a one and done eyeshadow, so you just have to apply it on your lids and blend it with a transition shade, and you can create various looks out of these, and they are very easy to apply, and they're very convenient also. You don't need a lot of products on your eyes, and these come in a lot of shades, and also these are very affordable, I think, for just 200 rupees, and you get like 6 or 7 shades in these, and they give a very beautiful metallic finish, and they give a very nice opaque coverage, and they also very pigmented and long lasting. So yeah. Then guys, if you're looking for glitters or glitter palettes, I would highly recommend you the Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle palette. Now again, I have a full-fledged review of this product along with demo on my channel. I shall leave all the links in the description box. So you can see they have very beautiful shades, and also these are quite pigmented, and they stick really well, especially if you apply a metallic eyeshadow. They stick really well on your eyeshadow, and they also stay for long, and they don't smudge or transfer, but they do give you a little bit of fallout. So again, you have to do your eye makeup before you do your face makeup in order to remove the fallouts. That's the only thing that you have that's the only drawback, but otherwise this product is amazing. So do check out the review, know more about this one. Then guys, if you're looking for single glitter, I would highly recommend you the TS Cosmetics Press glitter. This particular shade is white gold, and you can see this is very beautiful golden shade, and you can use this glitter on any neutral eye look that you do, and they also, because it's a very beautiful gold shade, it would suit all Indian skin tones as well. So I really love this product, and it again gives you very nice this is a very pigmented glitter. It sticks really well, especially in metallic eyeshadows, very long lasting, and you also get, I think, few shades, and again very affordable. So yeah. Last but not the least, lipsticks. So guys, my recommendation would always be the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. Now I have mentioned and talked about these liquid lipsticks so many times in many of my videos. I absolutely love these reasons because they're super long lasting, they're very pigmented, give you an opaque coverage, and they also apply really well. They're very pigmented, and they come in so many shades, so you can you name a shade, you have it in this range, and you have a lot of options depending on your skin tone. The first shade that I have and I absolutely love is this shade called 70 Amazonian. Now this shade is a perfect everyday shade. So yeah, it's a very beautiful brownish nude color, and this is my second time purchasing this shade. That itself says how much I love this shade and this product. So yeah, this is the shade. You can see it's a very beautiful brown, like a brownish nude. So yeah, perfect everyday shade. And the second shade that I absolutely love is a very beautiful red. It's called Accelerator. You can see the shade 340 Accelerator, and I think this is a limited this particular shade is from the limited edition. I'm not too sure though, so if you can find it, you should definitely grab it. Look at that. I absolutely love the shade. And yeah, the only small con that I find is that these are slightly sticky, and they're a little bit hard to remove, so you have to like struggle a little bit with the removal part, but not too much. You can use something like coconut oil or very strong makeup remover to remove these. Plus they're slightly sticky, but not that sticky as well. I mean, I love the the other qualities about these liquid lipsticks, that I don't mind the stickiness, and just a little bit of stickiness, I would say it's not too much. So if you haven't tried these, definitely give them a shot. They're my personal favorites. Yes guys, with that we come to the end of this video. Do try out these products if you haven't, and if you have tried out any of them, do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.